doing? How you doing? Tina Bibbs TV. Tina Bibbs TV. You are watching Tina Bibbs TV. Okay. I'm going to, hold on, I need to adjust this. I don't like it. Okay. Is that a little better? No. I'm sorry, y'all. I told you I'm trying to do better. I'm trying to do better. But I am so excited, y'all. I have 1,553 subscribers. Woo! 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 Today, y'all, I'm celebrating again. I celebrate when I got to 1,500. But I'm just happy for the extra 53. For real, y'all. I really am. And today, you know, I went to King Crab Legs, or King Seafood rather, and I got some good old shrimp with the corn, and some good old King Crab Legs. And this time, I got some lemon, the real lemon, and I got the sauce. Do you know, I think this is the lemon pepper with the spicy, and this like the Old Bay or something. Old Bay, I forgot what I put in. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, because I'm old. I'm gonna get my paper towel prepared, and we're gonna get into eating because I am starving. I'm starving. I really am hungry, for real. I haven't ate anything today. It's like, what, 3, almost 4 o'clock in the afternoon here in Atlanta, and I haven't eaten anything. But I'm gonna let y'all have the first bite. I'm gonna dip it into the Old Bay concoction. Oh my God, it's all dripping on me. Here you go. I love me some shrimp. I got it, the shrimp, or everything, there's a little bit of heat, not too much. Cause the last time I got some spicy stuff from them, it was like a little too much for me. I couldn't handle it. And I do got the coldest water bottle on deck, and my Coke Zero I've been sipping on for at least, what, 2 days? This will be my 3rd day sipping on it. How's everybody doing today? Are you doing fantastic? Today is my day off, and I'm celebrating the fact of having the subscribers that I do have. I know I can do better. I know I can. It's so good, y'all. Can y'all see it rain? Lemon rain? I think B-Love said lemon rain. I can't wait till I get into my King Crab Legs, though. Right now, I just want some shrimp. Y'all, I'm under a lot of stress because I'm trying to get in another vehicle. I'm trying to move into another place. And I'm just hoping in God's name that I'll be approved for everything. You want some more? Do y'all want some more? Y'all get some. You want some sauce? I'll go ahead and let it drip in my hand. I'm gonna grab my hand in front of y'all. Got some good. Got some water. This water been here for like 3 days. Let me advertise it right. I meant to have my smaller one that Corner's water bottle sent me for free. But I left it in the vehicle. Oops. But I do appreciate them with all my heart. So, y'all, let me tell you something. Yesterday, okay, on Wednesdays, I do basically what they call the extra board. Okay, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday, I have my regular routes that I do all the time. On Wednesday, I'm on the extra board, so whatever they give me. So they gave me the 74, and I know y'all ain't gonna know what I'm talking about, but they gave me a route, which is the 74. And so when I was doing that route yesterday, I'm like, what am I seeing? It's literally this dude had like these horns coming out of his head and looked like he had like surgically placed there. Like I don't know if he could take them off or not. I don't know, but it looked like he can't take them off. Like, I'm like, what in the hell? Why he want to be, excuse me y'all for cussing, but what in the world, why he want to be looking like a demon? I don't get it. Why he want to look like a demon, y'all? I'm like, I was dismayed. Like, what am I looking at? I love seafood. But one, seafood for me, because I had a gastric bypass, I can't, well, seafood, it basically is no bunch of calories and everything in it. So I can like eat as much as I want to of seafood and not really worry about my weight. You know, because I used to be almost 300 pounds. I'm down to like 170. Well, today, not 170. Today, I weigh myself. When I woke up this morning, I said I have an obsession. I ain't gonna lie. I weigh myself first thing in the morning, and then at night, I weigh myself again, like before I go to sleep. Before I go to sleep, it's like I'm heavier weight. Then when I wake up, it's like it's a lighter weight. Like, oh my God. But anyway, like last night when I came home from work, I was, let's say 170. So this morning, I was 170, why come I keep saying 170? 167. I was like, hey, whoop, whoop. I was excited. But basically, I ain't gonna lie to you. Like, with the vehicle situation, I'm already approved. I think I have to send some information over to them. And I'm like, you know, come on. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Working on me. Let me back this up to a little bit more. Is that a little better, y'all? Can y'all see me a little better? Anyway, they, you know, online, when I did all the pre-approval stuff, it says I'm approved. But then when I talked to them today, it seemed like I have to go through some more information with them. And literally, this video may be interrupted because they probably gonna be calling me back. Let's see what this gonna do. And guess what, y'all? I bought some new scissors so I can get into it. Oh, that was a perfect cut. I'm gonna let y'all have some. Don't worry, because I can't eat all this food by myself. It'll take me some days. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. Oh, so beautiful. I love me some crab legs, or king crab legs, no crab legs, whatever. You know what I have never gotten into is a blue was it blue crab legs, and I haven't got into the crawfish yet. Cause to me it's like, let's see what it tastes like, y'all. The crawfish. The crawfish seem like it's you gotta eat a lot. It's like you gotta suck. I guess it's something about twist. I really don't know how to eat a crawfish. Ain't lie. I think you gotta twist something off, suck the head, and take the little piece of meat. It's like you gotta eat a lot to even get full. Okay, let me see if I can. Okay, that's how it was successful. Did I do that or not? Let me get this other stuff, because I be watching y'all. Y'all be getting that white stuff off, saying it's not no good. But look at that, y'all. Put that lemon squeeze, lemon rain on it, as B-Love would say. As soon as I move into my new place, I will be making the B-Love sauce. Because I literally I have the mild and the spicy. I already ordered it, got it. And I'm just waiting to move into my place so I can make it. Oh my God. I'm like in seafood heaven right now. Seafood heaven. I'm kind of scared to open this because I do know this is I think I put lemon pepper and spicy, but I put a little bit too much spice. I'm scared to open it. Look, I sure am. I want some Coca-Cola, Coke Zero. The other day at my job, cause I tried to bus for Marta here in Atlanta, and the other day, this man get on my bus talking about, "Hey, what's up, gorgeous? You so pretty. Oh my God, do blondes have more fun?" But look at here. When he said, "Look at here," I already knew. I already knew some BS finna follow. He sent all this to say, I ain't got no bus fare right now, but can I get down to do? Like, don't try to, I don't like that. I'm trying to butter people up. Don't butter me up to try to ask for something for free. And I basically told him $2.50. And guess what? He had to exit my bus because I can't get free rides. Mother don't pay me to get free rides. Every now and then I may be like lenient, depending on the situation and who, you know, how they come at me. But if you come at me with some slick mess like he did, I ain't got no love. I ain't got no love for you. This was looking at me. Woo. Let me see. Let me use these. No loves for you, for real. Hey, beautiful. I mean, they be saying anything to try to butter you up before they try to get something for free. It's crazy. But a lot of times, you know, sometimes the people be legit and they say I'm beautiful and all this stuff, and they have their fare, but my reply to them is like, you need some glasses, because I don't look at myself like that. I really need to probably like I need to like work on that, my self-image, because sometimes what other people see, I don't see. Like, I don't get it. Like, why you lying to me? That's how I feel. I feel like people are lying. Oh, I got all of it. A little piece went right here. Mm-hmm. I can't wait to bite in this piece right here. Let's see what we're gonna do. Put some little more lemon rain. Put a lemon on it. Cause the Old Bay is already kind of spicy, so I'm scared to open. I don't know why. But I was trying not to. Basically, I do this for myself. Cause this come as butter. But, hold on, y'all. It come as butter. There's butter on there. So I kind of like make my own little concoction, you know what I'm saying? I put Old Bay seasoning and a little spice. But this time, like with this one right here that's not open, is lemon pepper. But I think I put too much spice, so I'm legit scared to open it. I'm scared to eat it. I'm sorry, y'all. I ain't seen no corn. I'm waiting for the lady to call. So, I don't know, so I can do my down payment and everything and get my vehicle. I'm so excited, like, wow. My only stress level I have right now basically is the place I'm trying to move into. Like, I literally applied for this the day before my birthday. Was last week. The 29th was my birthday. And on the 28th, I went up there. Well, I did everything online, and then I went up there just to finish up everything. And it's taking too long. Let me know something. But I'm super excited. I'm sorry. I'm in love with some shrimp, y'all. I'm in love with seafood. And I love corn. I've been noticing, like, when I go to seafood, like, they have broccoli and potatoes and stuff, right? But lately, I just want the corn. One thing why I don't get the broccoli, because it be too much liquid and it spills over and too much. It's like messy. It's messy. I'm making a mess on me, y'all. I'm sorry. But yeah. I'm really hoping that probably when I end this video, I'm gonna go ahead and call them like, hey, what's up? You know what I'm saying? I'm like, what's up? Do I get it or no? Oh, it won't cut. Oh my God, what's going on? Maybe I need to snap this part off. It hurt. I was stabbing me. This crap is stabbing me. You know what? I give up. No, I'm gonna do something else. Maybe I'll cut from the other side. All the juices on my fingers now. But I really hope that I get this because it's a really nice area. It's a nice area. Well, I can't say it's that nice, but It's a nice apartment complex, really. Okay, y'all. Let's try to figure this out. Let me see if I do this right. Jesus. Command my hands right now, Lord. Command my hands. Okay, I got that off. Oh, look at that, y'all. Let me see if I can pull it up. Nope, I ain't gonna try it. Because I want one piece. One whole piece. Anyway, I don't know. Did I ask y'all how y'all doing today? I don't know. I don't remember because I'm old. Are y'all having a fantastic day? For my fellow mukbangers, are y'all making a video as I speak? I know I just was on Candra's, I think it's Kendra, yeah, Kendra Giles live. So I gotta do the mustard and banana challenge. She challenged me. It's over with. I gotta do it. I don't know if I'm gonna do it like that. I'm scared to do the one, but the one challenge where you have to actually eat the peel. I'm scared to do that, y'all. Okay, y'all. I need some training by B-Love, cause look, I done tore it up, y'all. I hope it was gonna come out in one piece, but it didn't. But look, it's some deliciousness. I was told by one of my subscribers that they need to see more of me, and they're absolutely right. Like I basically said that in my last video. Like, I know that I need to do better, and I was referencing to how B-Love, she already successful, you know what I mean? She doing the dang thing, but she still on a daily basis put out videos. So I have no choice. I mean, I have no excuse to not try to put more content out. But I can defend myself and say that with my work schedule and everything, and by the time I get home from work, it's already late at night. And then my husband be asleep. So I really can't just make a video, you know what I mean? Because our living situation is not conducive for me to do that. So, oh God. So I try to fit it in when I can get in, you know? And I do apologize. But I'm a work in progress, y'all. I'm a work in progress. I'm low-key getting full, y'all. Y'all know I can't eat a lot. For those that know me. That's a nice spicy bite. Yeah, I already know this is gonna kill me. I ain't gonna mess around with that. It's so good. I think I'm gonna save the rest for later. This probably be good for later and sometime tomorrow. So I might do another video eating the same food. Thank you, King Seafood. I appreciate them a whole lot. Ooh, my mouth is burning. Ooh. Got my nose running, y'all. It got my nose running. Oh my God. I'm sorry. You know me. I'm gonna be me no matter what. But no. There was something else I want to tell y'all that happened on my job. Oh yeah. Okay, Atlanta. If anybody from Atlanta is watching this and you happen to actually catch the bus, please have your money prepared if you have to load, and make sure you know where your card is at. And please, when exiting the bus, you cannot walk in front of the bus. You know what I'm saying? You gotta let the bus pull off, and then you can take off, because it's dangerous for y'all. It's dangerous. It's dangerous. Y'all can lose. Like, people playing Russian roulette with their lives. And then they got people that not even catching the bus, that just crossing the street is not even a crossway. They just go up and walk right in front of you. So I guess they feel like, okay, she gotta slow, or they gotta slow down anyway. They ain't gonna hit me. You know what? It could be a time we don't even see you, like especially at nighttime, and people wearing these dark clothes. It could be dangerous for y'all. Like, why y'all do that? Like, why? And then, like, cars. Okay, I could be in the right, you know, they say it's a 4-lane, well, you know, 2-lane, I don't know how to describe it, but it's 2 lanes, right? This car over here and I'm right here, right? So the mugs will actually come across you like this, and they will wait for you about to take off. Like, I think they trying to get some martyr money. Like, no, sir, no, ma'am. I'm gonna make sure I'm all right. I'm not finna be paying, you know, being no lawsuit with y'all. No. But it's crazy how people pay Russian roulette with their lives as far as walking in front of the bus or the vehicles. Like, they don't care about their vehicles or their life, because the bus can mess a vehicle up. Like, would y'all please stop? For real, anybody watching this, you know, sure. Even in other states, I don't care where you at. Just be mindful of the operator, because a lot of times they say, "Oh, we scared of bus drivers and truck drivers and all this other stuff." Nah, we scared of y'all. Basically, for real, we scared of y'all, cause we like, dang, look what they just did, and like it's horrible. They rude. They don't let the bus get over when it needs to get over. They will come from behind. Like, they see you got your blinker on to turn, right? Or to get over. And whatever, they will come from behind you and to block you. I'm like, that is so rude. Atlanta can be rude. Literally super rude. I'm dead at, ooh, I can't say that. Dead A serious. It's too much sometimes, y'all. It's too much. Y'all need to, like, for real, like, I be stressed the heck out on my route sometimes. And like, but me being a bus driver as long as I have, it ain't been long, but I used to be a truck driver in my previous time, you know, job. And I've learned how to deal with the traffic, kind of, but at the same time, like, certain things just throw you off. Like, God, if you wasn't paying attention, if you don't have defensive driving in your heart, I think everybody who's watching this should take some defensive driving training, and that would change your life. Literally, it change what you do, how you react to situation, all that. It would change you, for real. It would make you look at things a lot different. But I don't know. That's just something that would just be irritating my soul, y'all. my job can be like so super stressful. But anyway, I like to end each video by giving some inspiration. And you know how I like to end each video, don't you? And by saying, if you think you're going through something terribly, like you're the only one going through it, best believe that someone is going through something way worse. Case in joint. Let me give you an example. Okay, I'm on my bus route. I'm sorry, my nose running. I'm on my bus route and I see a lot of homeless people. There's a man literally don't have no legs that sleeps at he basically live in one of our MARTA bus shelter or whatever called, you know, not a shelter, but you know the little, oh my God, what's it called? Whatever. Anyway, he basically lived there. And even like other routes, another man, he basically took over another MARTA bus stall. And then another route, there's a lady, she lived, that's on the 102, I think, or the 102 route. And she took over a MARTA stall. And she basically have her dog. She literally got her, she got her chair over there. I mean, like, wow, she made that her home. Like, literally. But in Atlanta, I kind of blame Atlanta a little bit because they have closed down some shelters that a lot of homeless people can go stay at. They shut them down. So, like, what? I guess what would they do? And then I'm seeing people, like, literally, and then, like, yesterday, this lady, or I don't know if she was a man, I don't know what it was, but she like, ah, 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 ah. I'm like, what in the world am I seeing? And then later on, the same route, this is what I did yesterday, you know what I'm saying? The one where I saw the man with the horns, like he had some black horns coming out his forehead, like, I'm like, wow, that's deep. And then I seen the same lady or slash man, I don't know. She was up there like she was finna fight, but she was doing this. Like she finna fight the bus or fight me, I don't know. And then she kicked the trash can and I'm like, what in the world? That's why certain cities with people like that are destroying property. That's why some things are looking raggedy in the city because people like her or maybe young people that don't have no care in the world are doing this type of stuff. So that's the type of thing I'm trying to tell y'all. It's so much more, so much many other people are going through something way worse than what you maybe think you're going through. I mean, I'm not undermining what you're going through at all, ma'am or sir. No, ma'am, no, sir. But what I'm trying to say that just keep your head up. Love and be loved. And be kind on purpose, y'all. And know that Tina Bibbs TV loves you with all her heart. And know that we're going to get through whatever we got going through. Because, look, I've been through some stuff in my past. And look, I'm here. I'm here, y'all. You've been through some stuff in your past. And you here. So, you know, so just know that you will get through whatever you're going through right now. Okay? We got this, okay? Come here. Give me a hug. Mama love on you. Oh, it felt good. All right, now, I want to say, Tina Bibbs TV, Tina Bibbs TV, you're watching Tina Bibbs TV, okay? I just want to say that again because I felt like it. Mwah. Peace, love, and hair grease. All right, bye.
I give you my